Hi and welcome to Watch the Time and my unboxing of a very special Seiko special. Now I've got my existing Seiko watches over the back there, so we've got the Flightmaster, the Baby Turtle, the Turtle. They're both special editions. One's the Paddy, one's the Save the Ocean, and my Gen 2 Monster. This unboxing is very special because the SKX seems to have been discontinued. Seiko have now adopted the Seiko 5, they've updated it, they've refreshed it, and when you look under the Prospects line, there is no SKX anymore. So I believe the Seiko SKX has gone. So I thought it'd be nice to do a Seiko SKX unboxing, but this is a bit special, I can assure you. Well, I'm hoping it is. At the moment I'm a little bit worried because on the box it actually says Best Presso Coffee Machines, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on there, but we'll open it and see. The new Seiko 5 range has definitely adopted some of the look of the SKX, but it's got an upgraded movement, the 4R movement. You've got loads of different options, but it has kind of been downgraded and it's no longer a certified diver. It's not part of their Prospects line. For a certified diver, you're going to have to look at things like the Turtle. I know that's going to upset a lot of people, and also the fact that the Seiko SKX is modded so heavily and it's so popular. I think it's just the same. So let's get into this box and hope that it is not a coffee machine or coffee pods, and see what we've got. Oh, it's looking good. I don't think this is coffee. So let's just have a little look. Ooh. Not three. Three boxes. Okay, so one. Two. Three. I don't know what's in each one. Well, I know what's in them, but I don't know which is which. So I'm just going to pick this one first, and we're going to open it, and we're going to see what's in it. So this is a first for my channel. I don't know what size fingers these are for. I'm wearing gloves purely because I haven't decided yet, but these may stay untouched by human hands, and I might keep them pristine in the box. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, so at the moment I'm just going to keep them pristine. Okay, so that's the first one. Well, let's just get that. Actually, let's get it out straight away off the cushion. So there's the first one. As you can see, that's the SKX 013. And there you go, firing into life beautifully. So that's the first one. So I'm just going to put it back on its cushion for now, and then we'll have a look at the next one. Right, can you guess what the next one's going to be? Let's have a look. The next one. Oh, let's get that off the cushion as well. And there we have the absolute classic SKX 007. That's off and running as well. Beautiful. This is the last one, which is upside down. And there we have the SKX 009. There you go. And just put that on its cushion. So there you have it, the a complete set of SKXs, the 013, the 007 and the 009. I've had a 009 before, which I actually sold to pay for the baby turtle, but I've not had the 007 or the 013 previously. So I will be doing reviews on these two because I've done this one before. So as I said previously, I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to size these and wear them or just keep them as they are in their boxes as a set yet. I haven't really decided yet. I'm not really one for doing that. I don't like keeping them in boxes and actually not wearing them. So it's going to be really hard for me not to do that. But my intention was to keep this as a nice set. So as you can see, I've got all three on Jubilee bracelets. I'm interested to see this one and see how it wears, because it's whilst it looks small compared to the other two, I actually think on wrist it's not going to look small, because it's still a watch that's got a lot of character, a lot of wrist presence. It's still a nice case design. You know, it's not a small watch, but it'll be interesting to see actually how this one wears compared to the bigger ones. But just looking at it there, I really like the design of it. It's reminds me a bit of my Citizens that I love so much. There you go. Let's just have a look at them all individually. The 007. Classic designs. And then the 009. Beautiful, what a lovely set of watches. I can understand why Seiko have discontinued these and gone and moved this design of watch and this design of case into the Seiko 5 range. I think it elevates the Seiko 5 range and makes that a really good proposition for most people, because let's be honest, most people don't wear these watches for diving. It's just a sports watch, a great everyday watch. So the fact that the water resistance rating has decreased from 200 divers to just 100, which makes it okay to swim in, to do a bit of snorkeling, general use at the beach, swimming pool. You know, it's still going to be a robust, a reliable. It's still going to be a great watch, and you've got the added bonus of the hacking and hand winding from the 4-arm movement, whereas none of these, have got hacking or hand winding. But they never intended to have that. These were intended to be a tool watch that you really don't touch the crown. You just, once they're up and running, you wear it and that's it. They all use the magic lever system, so they wind really quickly and really efficiently. And once you've got these on wrist, you don't really have to worry about them. It is there's an upgrade to the Seiko 5 now, and there's also a downgrade. Some people are going to like it. Some people are not. I suspect your average person that's just looking to buy a sports watch will be fine with it being 100 metres water resistant. And then you've got the hardened or the hardcore Seiko fans who are really not going to be happy about it being downgraded to a non-air diver watch. As I say, ultimately, your minimum sort of air diver watch is going to be the Turtle range, I suspect, or the Monster range, things like that. And even like the Flightmaster, that's a 200 metre water resist. It's not I don't think it's a diver certified one, but it is a 200 metres water resist. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. I've been really excited about this, and it was really hard for me not to open the box off camera and just dig into it, because there's two watches here I've never had before, and seeing the set like that, I think they look absolutely fantastic. Actually, I'm just going to do that, and I think they're going to look better. So like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to know your thoughts on the new Seiko 5 range and the fact that the SKX is going to be, or has been, discontinued. It's certainly not available on the Seiko website. It's not listed. It's not advertised. So let me know your thoughts, and I'd be interested to know what people think. Should I use and wear these, or should I just keep them as they are in their boxes? I can display them. I could put them in my watch box, but just leave them with the stickers on the cushions, whatever. I'd love to know your thoughts, but at the moment I am really struggling to not rip all the stickers off and put these on wrist, especially this little one, and this one, and this one. So thanks for watching. Watch the time. As I say, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.